Hello everyone, my name is Brent and I'm going to be walking you through a simple MongoDB tutorial today. MongoDB is one of the more popular NoSQL implementations out there. The reason that I've chosen it for this demonstration is it's pretty easy to implement and get running quickly. So I've got it running here on my machine. In this case it's a Mac, but I've got it running on a Linux box as well, and it's also available on Windows. So we're just going to dive right in. First thing we've got to do is start the MongoDB server. So we've fired up the server, and what we're going to do now is use a shell to talk to that server and issue commands. So let's start the shell. So Mongo, there it goes. So we've connected to the MongoDB server, and it's ready and waiting for us to send it some commands. So I'm going to walk through the basic CRUD steps of a normal database, so create, read, update, and delete. So just a note on this, Mongo implements all the JavaScript language that some of you may be familiar with. So if you know JavaScript, it'd be pretty quick for you to pick up MongoDB. So what we're going to do is go ahead and create a document store called scores, and we're going to add a single score. In this case, the letter grade B and the score 88. All right, so we've added that object, so let's get it back. All right, and the find command is equivalent to the select star table name. It essentially just returns everything from the document store. So there we go. There's only one object in there right now, so we get back the letter grade B and the score 88, along with an object ID or GUID. So let's go ahead and add a few more. So what we're going to do is a quick little loop, a for loop to iterate 10 times, and it's going to add some scores to the database for us. Okay, so we've looped through that, so let's go ahead and get our scores back. There we go. And there's our original score of 88, along with all the A records that we added in. So that's basically how you add records to a document store. It's pretty straightforward. So now we're going to do a couple basic queries. So let's go ahead and find all of the scores of A, or of 2 in this case. So all right, so there we go. There's our 2 object. And now let's find all the scores that are greater than 5. Okay, there we go. 6, 7, 8, and 9. As you can see, those are all the scores greater than 5. All right, so that's the basics for adding and querying. So what we're going to do is run through the update settings now. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and create a new document store called users, and we're going to add a couple user objects to it. So we're going to do a user named Johnny, and Johnny knows Ruby and C. All right, and then we're going to do a user named Sue, and Sue knows Scala and Lisp. All right, so let's go ahead and get our users back in the users document store. All right, there you go. So you can see Johnny and Sue get returned. So what we're going to do now is update Johnny. We're going to change his name to Cash, and Cash is not a programmer. Cash just speaks English. So you can see there that we're just issuing the update command here, providing the original object name of Johnny, and then the updated values of name, Cash, and language English. All right, so let's go ahead and get those objects back again. All right, so there you can see Johnny's been replaced with Cash, and Cash speaks English. All right, so now we've done updating, inserting, and selecting. So let's go ahead and do deletion as well. So we're going to delete Sue from this document store. All right, so let's go ahead and query again and see. We should only get Cash back now. All right, great. So we just get Cash back. So now we can do a remove all. So we're going to dump everything out of our scores and our users database. So we'll do scores first. All right, so let's go ahead and query our scores database. We should come back with nothing. All right, there you go, no results. So let's do the same with our users. All right, so that did that. Let's make sure we don't have any users left behind. That's great. So that's a quick little run through of MongoDB. If you'd like some more information, please check out their website. That's MongoDB. That's MongoDB.org. They've got great documentation and additional tutorials up on their site. All right, thanks everyone.